Hey guys, here's an update on my Mitsubishi Eclipse. I got it back, and my alternator wasn't messed up. It was actually on my belts. They put them on backwards because obviously they don't know what they're doing when they're putting an engine in a car. So I'm gonna pop the hood and start it and show you guys. Alright. There it is. All new belts on here. I was actually really excited when I first got to hear it because it sounds super clean. There's no ticks or nothing. And it's really hard to not have ticks with these. I see all these videos with a bunch of ticking noises and all kinds of stuff, and it's pretty annoying. But yeah, I got a really good engine, so sweet. Just redid all this, painted all this. I don't have a stereo, so I use my iPod. I just got all this. I don't have any mirrors hooked up yet. I still have to get the new doors on here. This weekend I'm gonna paint the speaker covers white. Revving kind of high right now for some reason. Yesterday it was perfect. Back here listening to the exhaust, that makes my chest rattle. It feels awesome. But I think it sounds really, really good. They got the lights put in. Close my door and those lights will go off. It's pretty sweet during nighttime. But I have let's see, my tires are really low on my passenger side, so I'm gonna go and get those fixed before work, and then I'll probably have to go to work. I just love work. Work so much. Looks like my gauge isn't working right now. That's probably, well, I know why it's fucking running bad. I'm retarded. Alright, well, we'll shut that off because, you know, we need some antifreeze in this here car. Oh, shut up. Alright, so I guess I'll go get some antifreeze. You know, you guys can just like stop watching the video right now if you want to. Doesn't really matter to me. That's really all I had to show you guys. I'm just gonna go and fill this up with antifreeze real quick. I should have it back here, but oh well. Stupid tech. I'm putting 50-50 in it. I was putting straight antifreeze in it and then adding a little bit of water. But since it's leaking and everything, I'm just gonna put some 50-50 in it. It's still leaking a little bit, but you know, my dad told me not to tighten this gasket up really tight because it'll break, but you know, I might have to tighten it up more. Because it's still leaking. I don't like leaks. Leaks piss me off. Pretty sure leaks make everyone angry. If they don't make you angry, I mean, that's cool, I guess. They make me really angry, because then I have to go and spend all my money on this car again. It's about to make 12 paychecks on this thing. I have a little reservoir growing on my fucking motor mount. Clean that up. It's probably not good for the motor mount. My motor mount's like, no, I love it. I love having antifreeze all over me. I love this door because it has a door handle on it. It opens oh so nicely. Oh, you really pressed the button there, guy. Bring all this shit over. I need to clean my car out again. Alright, well, now let's start it up and see. Still like that. It probably will be. You never know. This fucking thing keeps cutting me in my door. It's really lame. Yep. Get all that antifreeze in there. Oh, got a cut on me. Alright, and oh yeah, I also wanted to talk about my first video. My first video, I was like super proper and like, I don't know, I kind of made myself sound dumb. It kind of pissed me off. So, I might remake my first video, but that would kind of be pointless because then I would have to go a few steps back. So, stop rattling. Yeah, see now it's dropping. 900 RPMs. It's supposed to be running, what is it, 850 RPMs? Oh, I can't remember. But I gotta go fill up these tires, guys, so I guess I'll make another video this weekend. I was kinda hoping I would put more in this video, but I kinda forgot what I was gonna put in this video. Anyway, guys, it sounds really good. Oh, I got new windshield wipers too. Pretty sweet. They're squeegee clean. I think they're pretty sweet. But anyway, okay guys, I gotta go fill up my tires and stuff before work. So subscribe, like, comment, and yeah, I'm gonna get a bunch of people from Facebook, my Facebook. I'll post this today, and I'll tell everybody to look at my channel. And I know, I guess I hope I get a lot more video views and likes and all that from all my friends. So, yeah, guys, time to go. Have a good one.